Manitip. Bawal manitip. Kita pa rin.
What's happening?
Sumunin mo.
A few months later,
My dear mother, I would like to say that I have been captivated by the prince. I love him, but is it still too early? I hope you will allow us to marry next month. But if that is what you desire, I will stop you. We will announce that our eldest child will be married next month. Yes!
And I will turn to our village to share this news.
The announcement will be in 3 days.
I will look forward to it.
Is it really early, Lyra? They only met last month. There's a war in our kingdom. How did the man get in here? War? That's right. I first saw the prince during the war. Isn't that strange? Doesn't our sister think clearly? You're talking emotion. Somehow. I do not know that prince. Throughout our living like this, I never seen him. What are you thinking? You know that I have the strongest connection among three. You are right, but what are you thinking is so strong? He may be a prince of anything. I don't see him anywhere, and you know I often go out of the palace. What do you think? He may be a prince of our enemies, and marrying our sister is the easiest way to conquer us. But how? Where are you going? Just follow me. I will visit Ima. Maybe we'll keep her soul that month. Aside from the war that occurred, I strongly feel that this is true shedding of blood.
because of the eager use of Princess Zara to know the truth of things, she suddenly go to Emau's place to ask him for another vision about the future and about the prince's life.
Perfect timing.
What do you want, President?
Can you read a vision again?
For what purpose? Oh, by the way, I have heard that your sister will soon getting.
You're right. That is one of the reasons why we came here. Do you not know how to read an event in a person's life?
Yes, there is someone who know that. He is a member of our enemies. He truly is a prince, but a prince of sin.
My suspicious word. I'm here, Lyra. Don't worry. So what is your vision about the future?
That is what is truly more concerning. You speak really. And I have heard in the next 3 days the announcement is
This cannot be. I will tell to my mother. Thank you, Imaw. Follow me, Lyra.
After knowing the truth about the prince and what will happen in the future, Princess Lyra and Zara did not hesitate to tell their mother about what they found.
May you have the moment of your mind? Can it believe that? There will be a war! What? War? The war has ended. Then it will be a war again, mother. What are you saying? I went to Imaw because I want to read the vision about
Bukol siya.
Mother! I don't trust the prince you're talking about.
Yung
I am always outside of the palace, yet I never even encountered him. And we always go to the meeting of noble blood. But he is never there. So I went to Imaw and asked to read about the prince you mentioned. What did he say? That the prince you want to marry to my sister is not from our noble family, but a prince from our enemy mother. And in the next 3 days, they will stay here. At the moment you announce their wedding, that we will attack and try to steal the diamond. Then I will stop the wedding. That is possible, mother. But what will happen? We don't know what will happen, mother. Don't let this be known to my sister. I know it will hurt her deeply. On the day of the celebration, she should stay in her room. And because I can assure you that we will attack when the celebration starts. You are right, my children. And what will happen next? Even we don't know, let's prepare for a war. Mother, told the soldiers to prepare well. There's a little time for this preparation. Don't let this be known to anyone. It's good that land-grabbing princes are not here. I can assure you that they are preparing.
After the queen reached the news from their daughters Zara and Lyra, they started plan about the upcoming war. On the other side, evil Prince Eros informed Kami Akish, kingdom of Ethiopia.
yan ang oras na sige tayo mo.
There will be a celebration at the palace in the next 3 days. They will announce that Princess Ridora and I are getting married next month. Prepare everyone because we will attack. I know they have a lot of trust in you. At the time of war, I will take the diamond. Now, make sure that each soldier is strong. This is my chance to avenge my mother.
They should prepare, especially the queen is here. They should pay for the death of our mother.
Both evil side and good side prepared for the war. Evil side did not know that the good side already knows what will happen, and that there will be war again. The first day before the announcement of the wedding of Prince Eros and Princess Eudora, the good side prepared the warriors. The good side gave the Princess Eudora what will happen on the day of the announcement of her wedding. The second day passes with the same occurrences. The soldiers train of the good side along the decorations, while on the evil side, they train. On the second day before the announcement of Princess Eudora and Prince's wedding, the evil prince leaves their kingdom and returns to the kingdom of Ethiopia.
Is the princess in her room? Make sure that there's a guard there. Of course.
going warm enough, come inside. It's safer in here.
What's happening? What's going on?
I didn't know you were so deceivable.
What are you saying?
Can't you see? Your mind is so narrow. I will marry you because it's the easier way to conquer you. That way, we will close to each other and you will defeat it faster.
You're a fool!
Fool! Don't you? Now I want the diamond!
Call me deceivable, but I will give you what you want.
Princess Dora was betrayed by her love prince. She found out that the prince only wants to marry her to conquer their kingdom easily. She tries to escape from the room where she stays, but the evil Prince Eros locks her into his arms and go back where the battle is taking place.
Eleanor!
Let my sister go!
Who killed my sister?
No one knows! Now let our sister go!
I will let her go in exchange for the diamond!
You will never get it!
It's mine!
How impressive that you got into the room where the diamond is, but you didn't take it? So stupid!
What did you say?
No! Please don't hurt my child!
When you killed my mother and sister, did you feel pity? Didn't you? So don't fight because it's worthless!
Ano ba to? Babatuhin nila siya. Tapos grabe na.
The diamond!
Ayun yung diamond.
Is this what you want? I got this because I went to your room earlier, sister. But you're gone, and the diamond is there. So I took it. Now, let my sister go!
Give me the diamond!
Hindi si Judemir.
Ah!
Lugi ka pre. Lugi ka pre. Wala siyang dalang gamit. Yay, the end na. Tapos na. Uwian na. Sana. Siyempre, tapos nga nanalo yung kabutihan. Wala na.
And that's where the story ends.
Diba? And?
Tapos na?
Kasi, tara na po.
Tama? Tuloy natin.
Ano na yan?